हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो होने वाली है कंटिन्यूएशन एंड द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द अर्लियर वीडियो। अगर आपने मेरी लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखी तो आप वो जाके देख लीजिए, क्योंकि वो थी नंबर सिस्टम पार्ट 1 एंड ये है नंबर सिस्टम पार्ट 2। तो मैं उस वीडियो का लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी, आप जाके उस वीडियो को पहले देख लीजिए ताकि आप पूरा नंबर सिस्टम समझ जाए, क्योंकि वो थी पार्ट 1 एंड ये है पार्ट 2। मैं जस्ट एक बार रिकॉल करा देती हूँ कि हमने पार्ट 1 में क्या किया था। हमने पार्ट 1 में डिटेल में सारे टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर के बारे में हमने जाना था डिटेल में, एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स। तो आज की वीडियो में हम जानेंगे अबाउट HCF एंड LCM। तो यस, HCF एंड LCM। तो हम लोग पहले तो जानेंगे HCF के हाउ टू फाइंड HCF। नाउ methods to find HCF are common factors method, prime factor method and division method. Now we will understand all these methods through an example. Now for common factors method. Now in common, what is factor basically? Factor is basically the number in which in which table does the number come. Now for example, we need HCF means highest common factor. So we have to find the highest common factor of 6 and 12. Like it has to be common in both. 6 and 24 should have the same factor and it should be the highest. Now how to find the HCF in common factors method? First we'll write down the factors of 6, which are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors are basically in which table it's come. Now for example, 6 factors are these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6. In these numbers 6, in these numbers table 6 comes. Now what are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24 itself. Now we will write all the common factors which are common in these words. 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both, 3 is common in both, 4 is not common in both, 6 is common in both, and 12 and 24 is not common in both. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are common. Now what is the highest? What is the biggest number in all these 4? It is 6. So the highest is 6. So the HCF highest common factor is HCF. Now let's know about prime factor method. Prime factor method, we basically make this diagram kind of thing and we keep on dividing it. Now we have to find out the HCF of 8 and 24. Now what we will do? First we will make this diagram and then we'll divide it by 2. For example 8, then we get 4, then we do it again by 2, we get 2 only, then we divide it by 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. We need to do this process till we get 1. We need to divide the number till we get 1. Now you must be thinking, why we only divide with 2? We divide with the least, like the least number. Now how do you know shall we divide with 2 or 3? You cannot divide with 1 because there is no point of doing that. So you just see the last number of the number. For example 24, last number is 4 and it is an even number. So you will do the division by 2, and if you see the same in 8 is also an even number. So you will do the division by 2. So you need to do this division till you get 1, and then you need to multiply all these numbers that you have got. For example, in 8 division, We got 2, 2 and 2, 2 3 times. We got 2 number 3 times. So we are gonna multiply all of these and then we'll get our HCF. Now let me just tell you what is the answer. So the answer is, first if we just multiply them all, we're not going to get the common HCF. So excuse me. So what we are going to do is shown right here. We are just gonna write all the numbers, like 8 is equal to 2, 2, 2, because these were the number here. If you want, you can take 1 also, but that won't make a difference. And then in 24 also it was 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now in both of these we need to tell what are the common numbers. Now for that what we did was so in that what we did, we are going to tell what are the common. So 2 is common and 2 again and 2 again. So 3 2's are common in both. So what we are going to do, we are just going to do 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. So highest common factor of 8 and 24 is going to be 8. Now you must be confused, why didn't we do all of them? If we did all of them, we won't get the common factor. Now let me tell you about the last method, which is the division method. That is easy. Like for example, you want to know the HCF of 15 and 24. You'll just keep on dividing it till you get 0. Now let us tell the methods of how to get a LCM. Now, methods to find an LCM. There are only 2 methods to find an LCM. Prime factor method, which is the prime factorization method as we know, and then the common division method. Now let us understand this also with an example. Now, if we want to know the LCM of, now what is LCM? Let me just tell you that first. LCM's full form is lowest common multiple. Now you will be given questions like this. Tell the LCM of 15, 25 and 30. So you need to tell the lowest common multiple. Over here it is not factor, it is multiple. So you're going to write, like if you given, tell the LCM of 8 and 5. So you are going to write both of their tables and then you are going to tell which one is the common, and the least, which is the smallest over here, is going to be the LCM, least common multiple. Now over here multiples of 15, 25 and 30 are taken. So if you see all of the numbers, none is common in all. No number is common in all. So in some cases no number is common in all except for 1. So automatically that one is only the LCM. Over here no number is common in all except for 150. So obviously that is the least in the common ones. So the LCM of 15, 25 and 30 is 150. Now let us discuss the common division method. Now the common division method, we just do the same which we did in the prime factorization. In the HCF, what we did in the prime factor method, see only that type of only thing we do over here also. Just the difference is over here we multiply all of it and we do these together, not different. Now we want to know the LCM of again 15, 25 and 30. So we are going to write them like this and we are going to do it with the least number 2. Now if we do it by 2, then the answers will be same except for 30. Now if we do it again by 3, we divide it, then the answers will change. Then 5, and again, and we keep on doing it till we get 1 in all the places. We could stop it here, but we have to do it when we stop when we get 1 in all the 3 places in these numbers. Now we are done. This was only to be done. Now comes the simple part to know the LCM. You need to take all the numbers that are written here, basically the numbers that are in yellow color. You can also take this number which is 1 at the last, but that won't make a difference. So you take all these numbers which are over here in yellow color. You take these numbers and you multiply it. 2 into 3, 3 into 5, and 5 into 5. So if you multiply them all, you get the answer as 150. So the LCM is 150. You can, if you are asked to take out LCM, you can do both the methods, because when you do both the methods, the answer is same. And as we can see in the HCF one also, the answer doesn't changes. The method,
it's 8 o'clock.
The method is different. Like in a question you are asked, take out the LCM of 15, 25 and 30 through prime factor method. So for that you have to learn. Now, thank you for watching this video. This was the part 2 of number system. You can watch part 1. I will give the link in the description. In that I told about types of numbers, and in this part I told about HCF and LCM. So now our number system topic is complete. This video was in 2 parts. I will give the link in the description. So if you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. So till now, tata, bye. I'll see you in the next video.